make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing step by step. Let's get into it. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this video, we're gonna talk about how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing step by step tutorial. And the benefits of watching this video to the end is you learn how to do Clickbank affiliate marketing with practical steps like 1, 2, and 3. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, so in order to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, there's 3 steps you need to do to order to make this happen, right? So basically the first step is basically choose a niche, which is something like you're passionate about or something you like to do for fun or anything like that. So basically you can choose a niche between like so the my recommended niche you should choose is between evergreen niches. So like what that basically is make money online, health, or dating because or relationship because people always consistently have problems with those and because that's always the essence of life anyway. So because you always gonna need money, you always gonna love somebody or have problems with relationship with your family or anything like that, and then you're always gonna have to work out, lose weight, or gain weight. So that's what my 3 recommendation niches are. So you can choose like fitness, weight loss, forex, make money online, dating or relationship. So anything like that. So or if you don't want to do those, or you want to do like a seasonal niche, or whatever, you can do like tech and gadgets or woodcrafting or anything like that. So the step number 2 is we will create a sales funnel for the ClickBank product, and the third step is we'll get traffic to the ClickBank product. So basically, traffic sources like Instagram, Facebook groups, or just Facebook or YouTube. So those are 3 traffic sources I'm gonna show you. So the first step, so once you choose your niche, basically you can come to ClickBank and choose a product. So for this whole example purposes, I'm gonna choose the niche forex. So once we do that, so basically what you want to do is basically go up here and find products within the forex market, or you can come here to a marketplace and just go to the marketplace. It'll pop up the same screen. So once you do that, um, you can go right here. It says sort results by gravity score. So what that means is it pull up the best scores, like what's doing the best results at the moment or at the time. So once you do that, you can pick products within ClickBank. So once you do that, um, just for example purposes, I picked the second product because I'm gonna show you actual way you can make $200 a day doing ClickBank. So the reason why I picked the second product is because it's basically a mid-ticket item, so which is very easy to do. All you guys sell is the product like $100, so you get a commission of $100 and you promote that a couple of times and like 2 times, and you get a commission of $200. So for example, right? So this average sale of the product is $228, right? So basically that's the baseline of the product, and you get 50% of commission for that. Because the reason why I know that is because the average sale at the bottom, it shows the stats of the product, which is 50% commission. So that's probably like $128. So let's say you make a commission of one time of that. So basically that's $128. If you make another sale of that, that's over $200 already. And then let's say you make another sale of that, three sales of that, that's over $300. So all you need is 2 sales each day, and you'll make over $200. So these are practical steps you can do for ClickBank. Now, on the other end, let's say you promote a product that's like less than $100, right? Like $20. It'll take like 100, I mean not 100, but 10 times the product to promote to make that same amount. Like I said, to promote it only 2 times. So that's the reason why I chose this product, just to show for example purposes. So once you choose the product you want to promote, so let's say we chose this product, right? So if I go to this, the product promotion page, so the headline is 10x your money in 10 days. Turn $100 into $1,000, or $1,000 into $10,000, even $10,000 into $100,000 in a matter of days, right? So as you can see, this is the headline, right? And this is the sales page. And once they're interested in buying this product, they'll click add to cart. So this is where we go in to make a sales funnel. All right, guys. So in order to create a sales funnel, you need to go to like a website called like Builderall or ClickFunnels or Instapage or anything like that, or to create a sales funnel. So basically, for this purposes, I'm gonna choose Builderall because I personally use Builderall. So so once you go to Builderall, you're gonna see all these different funnels you can choose from. So like Amazon coupon funnel or application funnel, ask campaign funnel. So all these different funnels you can choose from. But today we're gonna use a squeeze page funnel. So it's basically a three-step funnel. Like you got the landing page, that's the first page, and then you got the thank you page, and then you got the sales page of the product. So once we do that, we're gonna go to the funnel. So this is the funnel, right? So basically, you can see the overview of the funnel. That's the reason why I love Bitterroll because it shows the overview of the funnel of what you're trying to do. So or show the layout. So as you can see, this is the squeeze page we're on, and then it'll show you the thank you page. Okay, so this is the thank you page, and then this is the call to action button where you send to the sales page. So right now we're gonna create the squeeze page first. Okay, so this is the essence of what you want to do. So basically, the headline you want to copy this headline and make it congruent with your landing page because if it's not congruent with your promoting, then once they see the sales page, they're gonna be like, wait, I thought he said this page, I thought he said this on the landing page, and it's not be congruent, and then you're gonna start seeing your conversion like decreasing because it's not congruent. So basically, you want to copy the exact same thing. You don't want to change this yellow or orange because it's gonna be disconnected with the offer. So you want to copy and paste this the exact same as the headline. So we basically go in here. So once you create your funnel, so this is what it look like. So as you can see, it look congruent as this right here. It looks exactly like. So this is what you want to have because once they go to the offer page, it look exactly like this. So and it's for the add to cart button, it looks exactly like this too. So um, it looks similar to it. So it don't have to be exact, but it got to be the exact colors though. So, um, so as you see, this is a squeeze page. So this is not the sales page of that. So it would say add the cart right here because it's not the sales page. So it say get into access to the offer we're going to promote. So it need to be the text need to be blue and it needs to be orange. So just like this. So the text is blue and then the button is orange. So just like that. So when we have that complete, what you're gonna do is edit the thank you page and make it congruent too. So once you come to the thank you page, all the thank you page is basically where you like talk about the product or you review the product on how you if benefits your life and your story and your backstory, something like that. So basically, what you can do is type here like watch this short video right here or pay attention to this video or warning, watch this short video, and basically you put your video right here, and you talk about the product and how it helped you and stuff, and then have a call to action button right here, same just like the offer. So add the cart. So basically, what you would do is mimic the same thing right here and put it add to cart right here, and then you put your like video right here, or you could just put some text right here, talk about the product, and that's basically what you would do. So I'm gonna show you real quick what it would look like. All right, guys. So once you have it all decorated in color and all stuff, so basically this will look like. So the headline for the thank you page would say will watch this short video and it'll be red because it's congruent um, with the headline of this. So you want to make everything congruent, and then the color right here is orange and blue, just like the call to action button right here. So add to cart. So basically same thing. And then once they click this, it's going to send to this page because you're going to put the affiliate link right here and then put it right here. So basically you confirm. So basically you will confirm the action. So you basically go to action and then confirm where you want to go to. So basically you go to you go to page and then put your affiliate link right here, and then so you basically put your affiliate link right here to the thank you page, and then it'll send it to the Clickbank the Clickbank offer. So that's basically what you do. So the third step is basically get traffic. So let's jump into the traffic sources. So the three traffic sources I'm gonna show you are Instagram, Facebook groups, and YouTube. So the first one right now is Instagram. So basically, what you can do is make a forex page, which basically you can do two ways: your personal brand page or the just a brand page, just like this. So basically, this is a brand page. So I'm gonna just show you the brand page way. So basically, if you don't want to show your face, this is what essence you can do. So basically, you can create a page around trading or forex, and basically how you optimize your bio to talk about what your page is all about. So this page is about forex, of course, and they're talking about trading tips and tutorials and market analytics, and they have students all around the world, and they offer one-on-one mentorship, and then you can sign up, and then this right here, and I'm guessing this is the link to their website or their sales funnel. So basically, you put your sales funnel link right here from where you create your sales funnel. So right here, this is where you have your sales funnel made and stuff. So basically, you copy your not your field link, but um, your website link, and you put it in your bio on Instagram, and then you can start giving out free content around forex. So for example, right here, so let's talk about what is long order, um, and then like the different types of I'm guessing so I'm not really in the forex, but I'm just giving you an example of what they're talking about. So like the different types of lines and stuff you need to know about forex, and the patterns, what they mean, and all the actions and stuff. So like the down, like for example, right here, what is a the drawdown or draw up? I'm guessing of the different types of stocks and stuff. So that's what basically you can do, give free value, and then you'll come to your sales funnel, and basically you'll sell them through your sales funnel. And once you have your sales funnel set up, it's automated, so you don't have to keep going in like sending emails and different stuff within your sales funnel, and you don't have to worry about that because it's taken care of. So it runs 24/7. You don't need employees to do that all for you because you already set it up, so it's automated. And you don't have to. You once you set it up, it's one time thing, and you start making profits from your business. So uh, the next traffic source is Facebook groups. So basically, once you type in forex in the search bar on Facebook, you can come to all the way over to groups and basically join different Facebook groups. So like for here, it says forex, another forex one, and then forex investment, forex signs. I don't know why that popped up, but forex trading, forex news group. So you get the point. So you can trade. You can not trade, but you can come into these different forex groups and give value within the forex groups, and then give your sales funnel link, and then they'll go through the process and they'll buy your Clickbank product. So basically, once you come to the forex groups, um, you can give like now one thing what you don't want to do is forex. I mean, in the groups is do not just strictly promote the Clickbank product, because I know this what beginners do, and you don't want to strictly do this because people are not gonna like and trust you within the groups, or even on Instagram, or when I show YouTube. So you strictly just don't want to promote all the time. So basically, you want to give free value. So for example, right? So you can tell them like different ways you can profit from trading and stocks and like that within forex. And then once they're interested in like how to get started, you can send them your sales funnel link. And then once they enter the email and name, like I showed you in the sales funnel tutorial, um, basically they I type in the name, and then they'll go through the sales process, the squeeze page, the thank you page, and then go to the sales page of the Clickbank product, and you make that commission. So for example, right? So all these different people, I don't know if they're like promoting or whatever, but basically you want to give free value, and saves for their email, and then sell them in the back end of your business with the Clickbank products. So that's basically what you would do. So I'm guessing this person, he's not really. So okay, this is a good example. So he's saying, what are your guys' idea or thoughts about this fundamentals of this stock and forex? So basically, I'm guessing he getting free value right here, and then that's basically what you can do is to give value about forex, and then give them your affiliate. I mean, not affiliate, but you give your sales funnel a link, and then um, promote the product within the sales funnel. So with YouTube, now YouTube is like more slower process making commissions, because first of all, it's SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, which is a slower, more process. But I'm guaranteed this is like a long term way of doing affiliate marketing because people are always going to be searching different products and how to do something within YouTube. So basically, what you can do is create a trading page like this right here. So like what's the relevant strength and index, or how to make a forex investment. So basically, you can create content around forex. So basically, how you can find different keywords and topics to talk about is you basically go to keyword planner, which in Google, which is totally for free. You don't have to pay nothing. All you gotta do is set up your account, like your name, password, and all that stuff, and basically you can get started within there. Basically, once you come to the keyword planner, right? You got different all these different keywords. Like, first of all, before I even go to the keywords, um, like as you can see, they got keyword by relevance and average monthly searches, competition, and all the stuff. So basically, once you trying to do keywords for YouTube, just ignore all this stuff like right here because this is for like paid ads. But once you that's for paid ads. So you want to just strictly focus on the monthly searches and the competition. So once you're first starting out, you want to do long term keywords that's like low competition and has good monthly searches so you can get started ranking. So for example, right? So you want to have low and so this was something you can probably do, but it's not good for starting out because you're not gonna have nobody to be searching. I mean, you got people searching for it, but like you're not gonna rank for it automatically because you're a new YouTube channel. So basically, you want to do keywords between like 0 and 1,000 that has low searches. So basically, let me show you an example of what I mean. So as we go down, um, this is the higher. So like for example, right here. So right, you got currency market for 100 to 1,000. So you can do competition words or keywords around this keyword right here and start pumping out content around this keyword and start ranking for them. And that's basically what you would do. So you basically find keywords you could do for YouTube and start pumping out content for them keywords. So that's basically how you would do Clickbank with that's basically how you would do make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing step-by-step tutorial. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on post notification. Also, make sure you like the video and comment because it gives me more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. Make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.